In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page in the Wix editor. This is really useful when you want to keep a consistent design across your site or simply save time instead of rebuilding a page from scratch. First, log into your Wix account and open your site in the Wix editor. Once you're inside, look over to the left sidebar and click on Pages and Menu. This is where all your site pages are listed. Find the page you want to duplicate, then hover your mouse over it. You'll see a small 3-dot More Actions icon appear next to the page name. Click on it, and from the menu that opens, select Duplicate Page. Wix will instantly create a copy of that page with the same layout and content. The duplicated page will usually have the word Copy added to the name. To keep things organized, it's a good idea to rename it. Just hover over the duplicated page again, click the 3 dots, choose Rename, and type in your new page name. And that's it, you've successfully duplicated a page in Wix. This simple feature is a huge time saver and helps you maintain a clean, consistent design across your website.